Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to my channel पढ़ाई करो. Here we are learning Hindi. I'm going to use English where you can learn Hindi easily. So हिंदी यहाँ पे हम लोग grade 1 UKG and LKG और न्यू लर्नर्स के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. So अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर लीजिए. Now we are going to learn Vyanjan. Vyanjan means consonants. In our previous video, हमारे प्रीवियस वीडियो में वी हैव लर्नड स्वर. स्वर मीन्स वॉवल्स विच इज़ स्वर फ्रॉम अ टू अह. दैट इज़ देयर इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न व्यंजन. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ व्यंजन इज कॉन्सोनेंट्स. सो फ्रॉम क टू श्र is our consonants. So in our previous video we have learned from k to nya. Yes. Now we are going to learn next letters. So let's learn next letters. Before going to start, let me give a recap. This letter is k. This is k, g, gh, ng, ch, ch, j, jh, nya. So today we will learn from t. Okay. So how to write t? See here, first step is we'll give a small standing line. Then the second step is we'll give a standing line and we'll write here as C. So this complete T will be like this. See, isn't it very easy? So T will be in a big size. If I'll write T is like this. This is T. The sound of this is T A. T. Yes. Then the next is th. How to write th? This is also very easy. So one small standing line, another small standing line. Then the second step is we'll write a 0 here. So then standing line and a 0 and a sleeping line is th. So in a big size if I'll write, this is th. So what is the spelling will be in English? D-H-A, th. So now this is t, this is th. Next letter is d. How to write d? See here, it is also very easy. Here also first step is we'll give a standing line and the second step is we'll give a standing line. Then here we will write a small s. See how easy it is. Then the third step is same standing line, an s and the sleeping line, which is must in a Hindi. So here in a big size if I'll write, it is D. The spelling will be D-A. You can say D. Yes, it's very easy. Then the letter is D after D. How to write D? Here also we'll give a standing line. Then a second step is standing line. Then like C we will write the same like T, then we'll give a small curve. Yes, so it's very easy. So the third step is like this and a sleeping line. If I'll write in a big size, it will be like this. This is what letter? D. The spelling could be D-H-A. D. The next letter is Ana. The sound is Ana. How we will write this stepwise I'll tell you. See here. First we will write a English U here. Then U and the standing line next to the letter. This is the second step. And the third step is same. We'll write a U standing line and a sleeping line which is must in a Hindi. So in big size if I write, this is Ana. The sound is Ana. See here, when we will pronounce this letter, no, it is Ana. Means our tongue will fold inside our mouth. Then we will pronounce it like A-N-A. So here I'll say Ana. No, Ana. 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 Like this. Okay. So let's pronounce once more. This letter is T, Th, D, Dh, Ana. Okay. So let's learn some new words. T say tomato. Tomato means tomato. Th say Thatera. We'll say this is Thatera, like who is making pot and all, right? We'll say this Thatera. Da say Damru. Da say Damru. And the next is Dha. Dha say Dholak. See here, though this letter is not starting with this ana, it ends with ana. So, but still I'll tell you one word using this is ana se charan. Charana. Charan. Charan means foot. Yes. Next letter we will learn is ta. We'll see how to write ta. See here, first we will write like this. From middle of this line we will start. This is the first step of the second step of the is like this, and the third step will be like this in sleeping line. But in an easier way we can write standing line and like this. It depends on us, like this. See how I am writing, like this also we can write, okay, or else we can write like this. See, anyway you can write. This letter is the. Here how we will write in English is TA. So this the and t sound you have to change and you have to learn and remember this. So this is the sound will be the. Here our tongue will touch our teeth. So the sound will be the. The next letter is th. See how we will write th. Our th is like this. So if we will write stepwise, we'll write first step will be this, second step will be this and this, third step will be like this, and the fourth step will be easy. You have written k, right? K. The same it is. So here I did a mistake. So the step will be like this, and here the sleeping line will not touch to the curve. See here I did this, so this is a mistake. So we should not do like this. So th will be like this. Here sleeping line will not touch here the circle, the curve area. Wherever this kind of curves are coming in our letters, right? So we will not touch the sleeping line. So the sound is T-H-A, is th. Next letter is the. How we will write the? It is very easy. Standing line, then standing line and a curve. It looks like t now. Now standing line, a curve, and like this. It looks like the now, right? Here we will drag this line. This is the. So see here, sleeping line is must in a Hindi. So the complete the will be small standing line, then a curve like this, and a sleeping line. This is the. Now what is the sound of the in English? Will be D A. The. You need to remember. Here that another was D-A, the, here D-A, the. See, we pronounce depends on like M-O-D-I. Some people say Modi, but it is exactly Modi. So the same way, Hindi you need to remember the is D-A, the. So it is easy to you to learn. So I am writing this English, but when you will practice these all things, you no need to remember these all English spellings. So directly you can remember what is this letter is the. What is the next letter? The. How we will write the? Here see it is the. What I said, anywhere a curve is there, we will not touch the sleeping line will not come and touch here. So we'll see how to write this. See here will not start like gh. For gh we used to start like this, right? For gh, for Hindi dha we will start from a curve here. Let me show you once more like this. Okay, this is the first step, then again this is the second step and the standing line. The third step is like this. So here the sleeping line will be small one. It won't touch here. So the sound is D H A. Okay. So there DHA was dh. Here DHA is dh. So depends. We will change our sound. The next letter is N. How to write N? See here. Our N is like this. So let me start like this. We can write N. Some people write like this. This is also correct. Some people write like this. This is also correct form of N. So the easy one is, we'll start from here. We'll make a circle. We'll give a sleeping line, then a standing line and a sleeping line. It is N. The spelling is N-A-N. We'll not say Na. We'll say N. So N say null like that. So N. Th say tarbooj. Th say thermos. D say damkal. Dh say dharti. Now this is N. N say null. Null means what? Tap. So in today's class, what we have practiced is this is. From here we did today T, Th, D, Dh, Ana, T, Th, D, Dh, N. So complete from the first. Let me give a recap. Here it is K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Ny, T, Th, D, Dh, An, T, Th, D, Dh, N. So next class we will learn some more letters. Till that you keep practice from K to Nya, and stay healthy, stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.